Said I want to boil an egg. Will you help me, Raja? I, yes, I will. Take a small pot from cupboard. That here is the pot. Fill it with water. Okay. Now put this egg in the water because it will break. Right here you are now. What should I do? Put it on the stove. Will be ready in about 10 minutes. Right,